Alrighty, we're back here at our little easy up table. We like to do this every time we come out into really a demo mock-up or an install. Literally takes 1 or 2 minutes to put up an easy up. Tables are always super handy. Gives us something to work on, set our different things on. It gives us our identity, a space. We want to bring drinks out, trash can, it's our area. So these are our demo kits. This is what performs the magic, what you're going to see tonight through the demo process. We brought out 2 complete kits. So this is a complete kit. It comprises of 24 of these and then 6 other utility lights that I'm going to show you in a minute. This is called our Merlin. Now this process that we do, which is really the end result of the dissertation, walking through, doing what we are going to do, putting these lights out. So what we want to do is we want to represent the quality, what the lighting is going to look like. So I'm going to tell you what I think right now, and I'll get an accurate number, but this house is going to be, give or take, probably 150, 180 lights, which is zero chance the homeowner is going to have me install 150 or 180 lights, which means there's zero chance to sell this job. So in order for me to sell the job, I have to change the homeowner's mindset. I have to show him what it's going to look like. So I've been doing this process for 30 years. Now over the past, I don't know, first 27, 26 years, so going back 3 or 4 years, we used a demo kit that were wired. So about 1.5 years ago, because of LEDs, we came up with this concept that we would use 8 AA batteries that are in here, put them on a switch, attach it to the can, and this is as simple as taking it out of the crate, turning the switch on, setting it in place. So we'll be able to do this demo probably in about 15 minutes. You can do it by yourself, you can bring a person, but certainly you don't need really help if you don't need any because it's really, really fast. Now some of the keys to a demo is you want to make sure that you use the same light bulb in the demo as you do in the real install. That way when the homeowner sees it at night, it's not brighter later, it's not dimmer later, it's exactly the same as the demo process was. The other key thing is you're going to learn tonight, because we're going to talk about placement and the key areas where a light needs to go, is you're going to find out that you're going to get exact placement, whether it's 2 inches from the wall, 1 foot from the wall, or whatever you're going to do. So not only are we going to sell the job, you're also going to get key location. Now, I want to retract that statement just a little bit about we're going to sell the job. That's not really a true statement. What we're going to do is we're going to set these fixtures out in key locations. The homeowners are going to come out, be blown away. They're the ones that are going to make an intelligent decision to buy the lighting. So effectively, we're not selling them anything. We're just creating condition for the homeowner wanting to buy. So the demos, what we use, I like to use these rigid ones. They're open case. They absolutely fit 6 of our Merlins perfectly. They nest together. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this. They literally nest together. You can take them now, put them in key locations, and start dropping fixtures as fast as you can walk over there and drop them. Down below, of course, is a larger tubby compartment, which houses 6 of these. And then on top is 6 specialty fixtures. There are a lot of times you're going to do things that aren't on the ground. You're going to do moonlighting. You're going to put lights up onto an eave. You're going to light up a roof. So we've attached a clamp to our fixtures so they can easily just walk over and you can clamp them on something, okay? So all of our fixtures come with a long lead. Okay, so this is called the Gandalf, and it comes with a 25-foot lead. We put a quick disconnect on it. So now I could walk over to this tree, if you will. We'll just pretend this is a tree. I can clamp it up, as you can see, right? I can adjust it. That could be 20 feet in the air. I'm on the ground. I hook the battery pack up to it as simple as this. It's just a quick disconnect. Done. I turned it on, and there it is. That fast. Now you probably noticed, why do I have a piece of tape on here? The reason we put a piece of tape on here, we want you to have that tape so when you turn it off and you put it back into the case, you don't accidentally hit that switch and the batteries go dead. So that's why we do that. All right, so we have several clamp lights like that. We give you this fixture right here. And it's an up-down light. A lot of times we'll use a fixture like this as a wall sconce. We use it in a single location. So we use this fixture. It's very versatile. And again, you need to demo it for proof of concept, spacing, have the homeowner, right, verify what you're doing. We do a little 1-watt fixture that you'll use in hardscapes. We put this in beams, over barbecues. And then we do a little hardscape light like that. So you pretty much get a full rounded type of effects from the fixture and the light bulb to really be able to sit there and dial in a lighting portrait to proof of concept to sell to the homeowner. The other thing that you want to do is we like to always bring in a camera. So I'll bring my tripod. I'll be right back. I got to grab it. I'll bring my tripod, my camera. Camera's sitting right over there. We want to be able to sit there and start taking photos before and after. Nothing looks better than having the same exact daytime photo or demo photo that match it up with real installations after the fact. So now what we do is we put it into a storyboard. We give the storyboard to the homeowner. We use a storyboard for a mock-up. So we'll come in here and you'll have same location, daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime. You can use it as a sales tool. You can use it as an as-built. You can make a storybook, give it to the homeowner. You can put it into a Shutterfly book. So we love taking before pictures, after pictures, same location. So just take blue masking tape, painter's tape, mark an X on the ground so you're coming back at night, seeing it. A lot of times you might want to use a fluorescent. So I think I pretty much covered the demo. So we're going to get and we're going to start placing it, and we'll see you back when the lights are turning on. So real quick, this is our lighting van, and I'm sure we all have trucks, vans, trailers. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. We like something that's enclosed, whether it be a trailer or a van. So we love these rigid cases. These are our demo ones, and we match them up. We have all of our tools, all of our different things. We have love tables. We always have gravel with us, so we can use gravel in different areas, whether it be direct burials, coming up with different fixture locations, which we're going to show you some new concepts we've came up with. And then we park all of our cable underneath. We built a wood box. We can stack material up in here. And right now we've got artificial rocks in here and some different things, ladders up on top. But it's nice having everything. There's nothing worse than having to go to Home Cheapo, right, every day, walk off the job. So you want to be organized and never have to leave the job. That's the key to making money.